estate experiment. What is happening, y'all? We're here currently closing up shop. This was a 5 and a 4.5. And speaking of 5 and 4.5, all right, I don't understand this. I've asked this question before of who gets, on the tax records, who's deciding what's a bedroom, what's not. We're currently in the fully finished basement. This is technically a 5th bedroom, but come to find out, there's no closet here. So technically it's not, but technically it is. On the MLS it says it's 5. So who's checking? Who's regulating? I just had a conversation with some investors that, they're experienced, so they know the whole deal. And I was like, it's very interesting. The windows, check, right? Fire escape, check. But what's up? The exit, check. But where the closet at? Additionally, you can see here, I'm in the little mini theater. We always have the investor lens on because we're not just being agents here. Well, I know I'm not. I'm playing the long-term game of being a serial investor. So I had a conversation with them about the ceiling here, how they didn't, you wouldn't put a hard ceiling on here. You put a drop ceiling, I think is what it's called. You can see they got the popcorn on here, which is pretty neat. But it'd be a drop down ceiling so that you can always access if one of these, you need to access one of these for maintenance or whatever the case might be, which is a good note when you're, doing rehabs and stuff like that. You wouldn't want to put a solid ceiling and then have to tear the whole thing down should one of these pipes need some work. So that's a good mental note. That's something that, didn't necessarily think about, but it's a good conversation to have with savvy investors. As you know, we're in the market to get some of our own as well.
I guess white rope. Now they want my back, they want my quote.
Real estate experiment. What is happening, y'all? Just had another open house. It was fantastic today. Literally made friends with a lot of people and a lot of clients. A lot of good potential leads. So it'll be very exciting to see how this pans out, because literally today I was just like, shout out to my Canadians out there, man. Had some Canadians, Congolese affiliated. I mean, it's crazy. It was great. It was great time to meet with people and see how you can offer value to them. And so that's a good reminder because that's what everybody's looking for at the end of the day. So on that note, let's continue to build, add value, keep the marathon continues, and let's build, y'all.
And I'm actually going to get right into it. And you really want to know how. How can I blaze my own path? How can I be successful? How can I follow the path that someone else has laid for me to be successful?
Sitting on deuces while the blunt burn. Still raping rap music cause I want more. All money in.